Hello everyone. So today I'm going to demonstrate you about our lab infrastructure. So usually we provide you with this domain link and we provide you the credentials. So when you log in, you will get this kind of interface in which you will get various labs. So this is a gold subscription lab. So in this lab, you get around 5 custom labs, one Palo Alto, Cisco ICE, SD-WAN, and Cisco SD-WAN, Checkpoint, Cisco FTD, and F5. So these are the pre-built topologies that you will get here, right? And also we are giving you the option of 5 custom labs in which you can build your own topology. So this user has, built his own, use cases here. So yeah, even you can also build your own use cases, and also we provide you images of various OEMs, right? So if I want to add a device, I will go to this lab and right click. You have to click node here, right? So you can see that we have Aruba devices, Checkpoint, Cisco ASA, CSR, and these are the latest images. These are not outdated images. Even the users who are working in the industry are using these, right? So this is a Palo Alto, Linux, Fortinet. You also get Windows Server, so you can easily perform all the use cases that you are working in, right? So let me show you one lab. So I will close this one. So we have this Fortinet pre-built topology here. Yeah. So this is a branch to branch topology in which two branches are connected using an internet gateway here. Right. So I've already turned this device. It is a 40 gate device right here. So yeah, I've already turned on. So yeah, it will boot. So you can also edit here, like you can increase the RAM and CPU according to your requirements. Right. So this is the basic walkthrough towards the lab. So, in next video, I will demonstrate you how to work in this lab, right? How to, perform various use cases. So the basic use case that every, user must have performed is internet access. So this is our FortiGate, and we also provide this 10 public IPs through which you can access the internet from this lab. So it is a unique feature here, right? And this web UI is used to take the GUI interface of this FortiGate. So when I click this, so the CLI will open on the next window. So when I go to OK, run Google Chrome here. So it is a Linux based machine and it is, basically for GUI access only. So yeah, here you can ping the IP and you will get the GUI of this device. You can place any device here. Here it is FortiGate. You can also place Cisco vManager, vBond, or any other controller here. So this is a Cisco vIOS switch. It is a Windows machine. So I can perform a basic use case of getting a internet on this device. So in further videos, we will be performing various practicals, be it IPsec, NAT, HA, and other basic practicals that we can, easily perform. So yeah, in Fortinet also you get evaluation license, so you can even perform SD-WAN here, right? So I can also show you the SD-WAN lab. So we have this SD-WAN lab here. Yeah. So these are my provider routers. These are my ISP routers. It is connected to a internet gateway. So this is our internet gateway, and these are public IPs. So yeah, you can perform this FortiGate SD-WAN also. Right. So in Gold Lab, we give you 64 GB compute. In Standard, it is 32, and in Premium Lab, it is 96. Soon I will, give you a walkthrough of Premium Lab also. It is quite different from Gold also. So in a separate video, I will explain you that what are the